Hello everybody, this is soychinchou.com, and today we're taking a look at the Sony Xperia Neo L, the latest mid-range product, the latest mid-range smartphone from Sony. This is of course replacing the Neo V, and let's talk about the hardware aspects. It comes with a 4-inch display with a resolution of 854 by 480. Into the hardware, it comes with a 1 GHz single-core processor with 512 MB of RAM and 1 gig of onboard storage. Fortunately though, it also has a micro SD expansion slot, which is inside the device, so we're going to take it off to show you that, but I can't do it one-handed, so you have to take my word for it. It has a 32 gig micro SD expansion slot. At the back you have a 5 megapixel camera that records 720p videos and a no XMOR, and at the front there's a VGA resolution camera as well. Other than that, it's running Ice Cream Sandwich 4.0, snappy performance, but this is of course a new device, so probably need to test it more to see how good it is. But again, Sony build quality is solid. A mid-range device. This is this is a good alternative for those of you who are looking for an affordable Android smartphone. There's a lot to like about the device. Screen is great. Performance is snappy. Camera is pretty decent as well. Let me try to log in into the Wi-Fi here. Okay, we're trying to log into the Wi-Fi, show you some of the browser performance on this one. Okay, we're connected. Once again, great snappy performance. Oh, let's try the camera first. So, 5 megapixel screen refresh rate on Sony devices once again is really good. Ice Cream Sandwich. No. Zero shutter lag though, still needs that moment to focus, but there's panorama sweep as you can see, but really nothing wrong with it. Okay, so that's the camera, Sony Xperia Neo L. Let's take a look at the browser. See if I can do this with one hand, and this is connected to Wi-Fi of course, but even while it's loading you can see that it's pretty snappy, no lag, really like that, decent performance. This probably is going to slot in below the Xperia P in terms of pricing. Okay, in terms of availability, it's going to be available in Malaysia in Q3. We don't have pricing details on it just yet, but stay tuned to our website soychinchou.com to find out the latest details on these devices. Alright, so that's pretty much it. This is soychinchou.com, and that was a first look at the Sony Xperia Neo, launched originally for the Chinese market, but now available for the Southeast Asian market in Indonesia, Singapore and Malaysia. Coming in Q3, no pricing details just yet, but from our looks, it's a decent mid-range device. Solid alternative to HTC and Samsung. Okay, I think that's pretty much it. This is once again soychinchou.com. As always, thanks very much for liking the video, thanks very much for watching the video, and thanks very much for subscribing to our channel. We'll catch you guys later.